Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online as a beginner in 2023, because this method involves almost no work. It is literally minimum work. And also I'm guessing that you will wish to watch second part of this video because it will be more interesting for most of you. So what you need to do, you need to come on one of those freelance websites, for example, People Per Hour, and you need to click here on search, and then you need to click here on search projects. And then what you need to do, you actually need to type here something like writing and then press enter. And here you can find people who will pay you to write for them. Here you can see this guy will pay you $120, $500, $256. Here you can find people who will actually pay you to write for them. Or you can simply go on Upwork if you prefer, and then click here, and then click here on jobs, and then here same thing, search for writing, and then click here. And here you can find people and companies who will pay you to write for them. Here you can see this guy will pay you from $25 to $60 per hour to write for them. $14 to $40 per hour to write for them. And here you can find lots of jobs that will pay you good money to write for them. So for example, here you can see copywriter for high-level presentations. This guy will pay you from $60 to $93 per hour to write for him. So let me just click here to open this to see more details. Here I can see, okay, US may apply. Here you can see more details, what exactly this person is actually looking for. Here you can see less than 30 hours per week. 1 to 3 months is duration, level expert. So you need to be a really good writer. And here you can see it will pay you from $60 to $93 per hour to write for him. Remote job, which means you can apply for this job no matter where you live in the world. But if you are not good at writing articles, what you can do is you can simply come on a website called iWriter, and then you can click here on pricing, and here you can see they actually have 4 categories of writers. And for example, because we saw here that we need to be on expert level, we can actually come here and hire someone who is elite level. And we will need to pay 4 cents for every word. But it doesn't matter, because this guy here will pay us from $60 to $93 per hour. So if we have, let's just say, 30 hours per week, and we earn, let's just say, $60 per hour, that is $1,800. So if we come back here on iWriter and hire someone to write us, for example, one article with 1,000 words, that will cost us $40, and we will charge from this guy here $60 to do that. So we will keep $20. The $20 will be our profit. And what you can do is you can apply for this job and then come back here on iWriter and hire some of these guys that are elite level. And then you can simply come back here and you can go here and find more people who will pay you to write for them, and then simply go back here on iWriter and hire more people who are elite level or elite plus level to write for you. And these guys will, here you can see, they will do a keyword research, free proofreading, unlimited revisions, plagiarism detection, expert options, dedicated support, client dashboard access, direct writer content. So you can directly contact writer and tell it what exactly you wish. And what you wish, well, you can find exactly what you wish here on the information here on Upwork. And you can simply copy and paste and send it to this person on iWriter who will write that article for you. And like I said, you can find 5, 10, 30, 50 people who will pay you here on Upwork to write for them. And we saw that this guy here, he actually looking for someone who will work from 1 to 3 months for him. And you will get up to 3 months of constant work and $20 profit per article that you can actually hire someone on iWriter to write for you. Like I said, it is a minimum work. You only need to copy the article. All you have to do is just send that article to your client here on Upwork. And like I said, you can find 50, 100 clients like that, and you can easily make $2,000, $3,000 with minimum work just by copying and pasting articles from iWriter to Upwork. Easy money, easy way to make money online in 2023 as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.